Hello everyone, it's Clemmy from Clemmy's Creations, and have I got a junk journal share with you guys today. I'm very excited about this because I've been thinking about this for a while, and I'm busy working on some custom journals right now, so I didn't think I was going to get a chance to do it. But I was talking with Terri Wood and Dolly, and Dolly asked for some help with some ideas for paper bags that she's doing a series on for JJ beginners. And so I said, I knew this was the perfect time to roll this puppy out. So what I've got for you today, if you can tell, is a purse journal. And I'm so in love with the way that it came out. Okay. The kit that I have used is Nectar's Creations Letters to Rose, and it's an absolutely beautiful kit. I've used it before in the past, but never got the chance to work with it fully. So I, am enjoying the fact that I really got a chance to work with it because I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. And this little journal was perfect for it. Okay, so I'm just going to hurry up and get into it because I really don't want a long video. And it's not that big, as you can see. It's fairly small, but this is a writing journal. So wherever you want to go to the park, wherever, you can take this with you as a little purse and journal. Okay, it's not, I didn't over embellish because I want you to be able to write in it. Okay, on the front I've got a little charm with a little handbag, and then I've got my little stamp, and on the back of it says Vintage Couture. Okay, it hooks with, there's a magnet under here. I had to go and double up on the magnets because I added a few more tags and it wasn't closing. So I had to add that, and it has good stamping now. Okay, so I made a little homemade flower and attached it here. But if you want to write on it, that flower is going to get in the way. So I've attached it with a magnet so it does pull off. Okay, attaches back on. So we're going to set that to the side, and we're going to get to the journal. And I do have some dangles, a few dangles on the side. You guys, I'm just really loving this little journal. Okay, so I've got some tags in the front with a little pocket. And they were all supposed to come out like this because you can write on the, the lines on here. And I messed up, but you know what? You can go in and add pictures or whatever you want to add to that space. Got some vintage poetry, paper bag, the vintage ladies, and the stamp says you have style. I've got some Edith Holden. Now, I could, when I was making this journal and I put this page in there, I was playing like I was Laurie Girl on the Ridge, and I said, Lady Rose went to the glade or the forest, and she sat down with her journal. But yeah, no, that's not my style. We'll leave that for Laurie. Okay, this is the fold out that I just did a tutorial over. Got my pockets loaded up with some tags that are left blank. And the story begins right there. And then you just got some journaling. Another pocket. And a tag. I'm at an awkward angle. And believe it is So Kara. She's doing a series, and she has all these great ideas. This is her little pocket, and that flips up. You can journal up under there, hide the journaling. bead dangle. All the vintage poetry. And of course I had to throw, include the picture of Lady Rose inside the journal as well. It's just a beautiful image. It's a pocket from the kit. Little tag. Another tag from the kit. And I took some of the, she had other printouts and cutouts, and I fussy cut the little bird and the rose and just made a little pocket out of it. A little pocket. A bag. This is an envelope from the kit. Most of you are familiar with this kit already, but there may be some new people that haven't seen the kit yet. Rare, but who knows. It's for newbies, right? This is another tag for the kit. I just sewed it onto the page and made like some more journaling. I fussy cut more of the roses and another little bird and added this. This is one of the pages just shrunk down, and it slides in like so. See, lots of writing space, you guys. So I was trying to do Lori's. She makes these beautiful little pockets with a little punch, and it's two of them stacked together. I messed it up completely, so I just came up with this, and I like the way it turned out. The envelope from the kit. Yeah, that's a tuck spot. I missed a page. And I'm always saying my butterflies are hearts on a string. So I got a butterfly, a heart punch, and now I can actually be correct when I say my heart's on a string. It's a little tag from the kit. Tag I've made. I haven't, these are from the kit as well. I need to back them onto some paper and include those. Let's put that back in there. So, no, let's leave it out. Make up your mind, girl. Okay. And I love this page with the roses. Another newsprint bag. That's the mask print. And this is almost similar to the pocket that we had at the beginning of the journal. I just made a larger one and turned it sideways. And we have all the extra journaling space. And this is one of the letters to Rose. I printed this out on parchment paper. Sorry about that. And it is a pocket behind, and the other part of the letter to Rose on the back of that. More Edith Holden. That's a page from the kit. I had left over, so I included it. This says, crafting forever, housework whenever. And it says, made with love. And we've come to the end. This is the last page. And so I have left that plain as journaling lines, journaling space. And at the back of this paper. This is a paper bag, you guys. I'm sorry I didn't make that clear. This is a paper bag, and you get a very generous pocket. And I have just taken some extra pages and made a journal out of. Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little flip through. I really like the way that this turned out. I had so much fun creating it. I will be creating a lot more of these because I have a lot of these paper bags, and so look forward to them. Thanks, you guys. We're doing a hop, so I will be linking Dolly's video and Terri Wood's video, so you guys check that out. And it's Dolly Gipsyrose Paperie. Thank you all.